Good morning. Let's find our seats.
Hi, Miss Retta!
Hello, everyone. What a beautiful day. Look, children, the holographic solar system. Whoa, the planets are moving.
Look, a cat! Oh, hello, a little explorer.
Everyone here?
Whoa, this is Mars! It's so beautiful and scary. Look at the sky!
Almost there, Omar!
Connecting the wire now.
Panels programmed. Ready.
It's working, Venus! We did it! It's working! Yes, my brilliant stars. Look how far we've come.
Connection established. Optimal joy levels detected.
Echo!